Welcome to the ultimate review of the Amazfit Bip 6, the budget smartwatch that promises to redefine affordability and functionality. If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch packed with health tracking, fitness features, and a long-lasting battery, then the Amazfit Bip 6 might be the best smartwatch under $100. In this in-depth review, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Bip 6, including its display, battery life, fitness tracking, sports modes, software experience, and real-world performance. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Amazfit Bip 6 is the right choice for your wrist. So, make sure to watch till the end and hit that like button if you enjoy content like this. 1. Unboxing the Amazfit Bip 6. First impressions. When you open the box of the Amazfit Bip 6, you're greeted with a sleek and lightweight smartwatch that immediately feels premium despite its budget-friendly price. Inside the box, you'll find the Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch, a magnetic charging cable, a quick start guide. The design of the Amazfit Bip 6 is modern and minimalistic. With a 1.97-inch AMOLED display and a 390 by 450 resolution, the screen is vibrant and sharp, offering a clear view even in direct sunlight. The curved edges and slim bezels give it a premium look, making it a fantastic option for those who want a stylish smartwatch without spending a fortune. 2. Design and build quality. How premium does it feel? One of the standout aspects of the Amazfit Bip 6 is its design. Unlike many budget smartwatches, which often feel bulky or cheap, the Bip 6 features a lightweight aluminum frame with a comfortable silicone strap. It weighs just 35 grams, making it almost unnoticeable on your wrist during daily wear or workouts. Available colors: charcoal black, stone white, and crimson red. Material: lightweight aluminum with a durable polycarbonate back. Water resistance: 5 ATM rating, safe for swimming and sweat-proof for workouts. The Bip 6 is designed to be an everyday companion, whether you're heading to the gym, going for a run, or just tracking your daily steps. The silicone band is soft and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort. 3. Display and screen quality. AMOLED makes a difference. The Amazfit Bip 6 sports a 1.97-inch AMOLED display, a huge upgrade compared to previous models in the Bip series. Here's what makes this display special. AMOLED panel offers deeper blacks, better contrast, and more vibrant colors. 390 by 450 pixel resolution provides sharp text and icons. Brightness levels adjustable up to 600 nits, ensuring great visibility outdoors. Touch responsiveness, smooth and accurate touch gestures. Unfortunately, there's no always-on display feature, which helps preserve battery life. However, the raise-to-wake function works flawlessly, allowing you to check the time with a simple wrist movement. 4. Performance and software. ZepOS experience. Unlike many smartwatches that run Wear OS, the Amazfit Bip 6 features its own ZepOS, designed for efficiency and battery life. After a few days of testing, here's what stands out. Smooth UI. Navigating through menus and apps is fast and responsive. App compatibility. Works with both Android and iOS via the Zep app. Custom watch faces. Choose from hundreds of watch faces to match your style. Basic app support. Receive notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Gmail. No third-party app support. Unlike Wear OS, you can't install additional apps. While the UI is simple, it gets the job done with a clean and easy-to-use interface. 5. Fitness and health tracking. How accurate is it? For fitness enthusiasts, the Amazfit Bip 6 delivers an impressive suite of health and fitness tracking features. Heart rate monitoring. Tracks your heart rate 24/7. SpO2, blood oxygen, monitoring, essential for health tracking. Sleep tracking, monitors deep sleep, light sleep, and REM cycles. Stress monitoring, helps track stress levels throughout the day. Step counting and calorie burn, accurate step and calorie tracking. Menstrual cycle tracking, a useful feature for women's health. 6. Sports modes and GPS tracking, perfect for active users. The Bip 6 comes with over 120 sports modes, making it a great fitness smartwatch. Whether you're into running, cycling, swimming, or yoga, the Bip 6 tracks it all. Built-in GPS and GLONASS, accurate tracking for outdoor runs and cycling. Running metrics, measures pace, distance, and elevation. Swimming metrics, track strokes, laps, and swim efficiency. Workout analysis. Provides detailed post-workout feedback. If you're looking for a budget sports smartwatch, the Bip 6 is one of the best in its price range. 7. Battery life and charging speed. A 2-week beast? One of the biggest selling points of the Amazfit Bip 6 is its battery life. Up to 14 days of battery life, typical usage. Up to 7 days with heavy use, continuous GPS and notifications enabled. Magnetic charging takes about 2 hours from 0 to 100%. Unlike Apple Watches or Samsung Galaxy Watches, which need daily charging, the Bip 6 lasts for weeks, making it a perfect travel companion. 8. Final verdict. Should you buy the Amazfit Bip 6? After extensive testing, the Amazfit Bip 6 stands out as one of the best budget smartwatches of 2024. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that won't break the bank but still offers great design, a sharp AMOLED display, GPS tracking, and excellent battery life, this is the smartwatch for you. Pros. White heavy check mark bright AMOLED display. White heavy check mark lightweight and comfortable design. White heavy check mark long battery life. White heavy check mark accurate GPS and fitness tracking. White heavy check mark affordable price. Cons. Cross mark no third-party app support. Cross mark no always-on display. For under $100, the Amazfit Bip 6 is a no-brainer for budget-conscious consumers. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more smartwatch reviews, and let me know in the comments. Will you be buying the Amazfit Bip 6? See you in the next video.